Hello again, my friends. I hope you are having a very lovely day. It's beautiful out here where I am in Massachusetts. Nice warmer day. So I just wanted to get out here and tell you guys all about, so it's day 4 of boyfriend jeans. And I want to give you a tip on how to get a boyfriend jean look without it actually being the style, the actual boyfriend jean fit. I used to do this a lot at my shop because lots of women would come in and like, I love that baggy look, but you know, I can't stand when they're so low on my hips, or you know, they're too low rise. I don't feel comfortable in them. I can't pull it off. Well, let me tell you, you can pull it off because there is a way to wear this look and not be the low rise that you don't really feel comfortable in. So what I used to do is I would grab a straight leg jean in a size up for women who were looking for that look, and had them put it on. And yes, it's a bit bigger in the waist, but it's still going to be a higher rise. So I usually do for a straight that I want to make into a boyfriend, a mid-rise. But you can also do high-rise jeans. There are so many high-rise boyfriend jeans now that it's a look, it's a thing. So I would normally grab like a mid-rise or maybe even a little higher rise jean, and grab it in a size up for them to try on, and knowing that it's going to feel a little looser, and it's going to stretch and it's going to get looser. But for that look, you're going to get that baggy leg, and then you can roll it up. So I did it today with these jeans. These are a level 99 Lily straight jean that I sized up. I actually sized up 2 in this one. Maybe it was the stretch or something like that. But yeah, and I love it. I wear them all the time. They're bigger. And I also put I put a belt to them, because that way they can stay where I want them to, even when they're stretched out. So if that is your thing, if you really do want to show off the baggy look with the cuff and, so cute, then definitely take a look at some straight leg jeans. In my like to know it post, I put up 2 Levi's jeans. They're classic straight leg, and they're 501 classic. To take a look at, because those are 2 jeans that are about a mid-rise, like a high to mid-rise, and would look super cute in a size up and let it be a little baggy on you. I got these tips and tricks in my head that I'm willing to give to y'all. So I hope you guys are enjoying Boyfriend Jeans Week, and tomorrow's the last day, and as I usually say, it's not always the last time you're going to probably see a boyfriend jean on me during the Fall Style Challenge, because they're awesome. And yeah, if you really want to see something that you haven't seen this week, go ahead and put it in the comments or DM me and let me know what you want to see, because I'm more than happy to show you guys other looks that you are looking to do with your own clothing. So have a great rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you guys again tomorrow. Bye.